Before I knew anything about wearing my best colors, I used to pay money for people to put hair color in my hair that was making me look washed out. In this video, I'm going to share a bit of my own color analysis journey with you, along with asking you for help for some market research I'm doing. And I'm going to share a demo of what happens when you wear a hair color that's out of harmony with you and then add on clothing colors that are out of harmony with you but match that hair color. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, I'm Brailey of carolbrailey.com. First off, I want to do a quick shameless plug announcement. If you have not been over to virtualcoloranalysis.com in a while, there are some new product listings that I'm really excited about. The first is, I'm going to try and get it in the screen, is a tote bag by each seasonal color palette, now available on Teespring. I've also added makeup by seasonal color palette offered by Color Me Beautiful. I'm an affiliate partner with Color Me Beautiful now, and so in the sake of transparency, I just wanted to add that, but head on over to virtualcoloranalysis.com. I really am excited about offering products geared towards color analysis to help make you sparkle. So now on to the first topic for this video, and that is I need your help. I'm doing some market research for some future projects, and I want to understand why color analysis lost momentum, meaning seasonal color analysis, the process around it and everybody finding out their colors. Why did it lose momentum? Why was it so big in the 80s and perhaps into the 90s and then sort of dwindled? Why has it gone out of style? Because I believe wearing your best colors really never goes out of style. So I want to hear from you. So if you can comment below and share with me your thoughts on this question. A little bit of background about me, because I used to think that way around, oh, that's something they did in the 80s. I have been to image consulting training. I'm a certified image consultant, and one of the classes as part of that training that was mandatory was a color analysis class. It was an introduction class, and I saw that in the course listing and was so confused. I was like, why do we have to learn about best colors? Wasn't that something they did in the 80s? I just thought it was outdated. Why would I need to learn that if I want to help somebody with styling, etc.? And I had no real comprehension around it. But within the first one or two classes, we had started analyzing people in the class, even myself, and I was like, wow. How did I not know about this? And I was the one in the class. So if you've watched any of my other videos, I'm a cool undertone, true summer. So smoky, cool colors are most in harmony with me. And so I used to have warm red, sort of coppery hair. And when it faded, it went to orange, which is basically the worst color in terms of hair color for a true summer. And I spent hundreds of dollars and so much time taking the warmth out of my hair to bring back in the coolness of my natural hair color. And so I saw the effects of wearing terrible hair color on me and what have you. And I basically was a convert. So I am the person who used to say, oh, isn't that something they did in the 80s? And obviously I've developed such a passion on this topic. My YouTube channel is substantially on this topic, etc. So I want to really understand why I used to think that way and understand why you perhaps may think that way. So if you could comment below, I would so appreciate it. And now, as I've done more and more color analysis around the world and advanced my training and knowledge on the topic, I obviously have seen this not only work for myself to bring back some sparkle and efficiency to my wardrobe, but I've seen it for so many people, and I've seen it frankly change lives. So if you have not had your colors done, or are still investigating whether or not to get your colors done, I so highly recommend it. You'll stop wasting money, etc. And I've done so many videos on why to get it done, so I'm not going to cover that off in this video, but I've seen this so powerful in so many lives, and I've had such a passion for it. So I don't understand why it lost momentum. So I want to understand that a bit more. Now on to the hair demo bit to this video. So a while back, I used to produce 1-minute daily style tip videos on Instagram, and I used to just upload them to YouTube, and hopefully they would get some views, etc. And there's one demo video that I did around wearing an Out of Harmony hair color with me, and then adding on colors on my chest where the hair color was in harmony with that color, but that color was out of harmony with me, etc. And so I want to just dust off that old video and add it to the back of this video so you see it, because it's really powerful. So I still get questions from my online clients and my in-person clients around, do you know what, I'm just gonna wear my colors here and have my Out of Harmony hair color that I've had for 20 years sort of thing. And I love this demo because it really illustrates that, you know what, when you are wearing colors, hair, clothing, etc. that are out of harmony with you, we can't see you easily. We're so lost in looking at your hair color or your clothing, etc. And so I just wanted to dust off that video because I think it's a really great illustration. So I hope you enjoy it. It's only 1 minute, and here it is. Brailey, this is my daily style tip called Wear Your Authenticity, and I'm in this crazy getup today for those of you who ask the question or believe that matching your clothing colors with your hair color is a fantastic thing. The issue is that if your hair color choice is out of harmony with your personal coloring and you add on clothing colors that further the out of harmony situ, you could be hiding behind your color choices, making yourself look older, duller, washed out, magnifying lines, wrinkles, and sagging, and even widening your jawline. All not fantastic things. I always recommend matching your hair color and clothing color choices with you. So here I'm in coloring that is way out of harmony with me, and when I remove it, hopefully you're seeing I sparkle more. Have a great day.